Okay, so I'm clearly back at my apartment at the moment. The workshop is actually at my partner's home. So this is one of the rare occasions where I'm actually here. Now, the media wall, still trying to figure that out. I'm still waiting to, be able to get more materials. Wood's very expensive at the moment. There will be more updates on that soon, I promise. Now, I wanted to talk about this next tool. I've used it plenty of times before, but I'm not sure whether it is something that I'm still not quite totally comfortable using. So this is my Bosch, it's the GKF600 professional router. Now, it feels great. It's, it is heavy. It's great for me, for the stuff I can imagine doing with it. It's got a square base plate, which I may end up swapping out at some point for a bigger one for different projects. But the thing with this is it doesn't have variable speed, and I'm not sure if that's going to make a difference, whether it's a big deal. Obviously, see if I get this right way around. With bigger router bits with bigger heads on them, it needs to be slower, and with the smaller heads, it needs to be fast enough or faster. Help me out, please. So this terrifies me. I'll be honest with you. This is a scary tool. I know that this wants to kill you. It's I've had a few moments where it's kicked back. There was one in particular where it kicked back this way, and I nearly caught my face. So probably my fault. I do need to make sure that I'm holding it steady, but it's still terrifying. And obviously no plunge. I do have a McAllister plunge router that was given to me a while back, which I haven't got around to trying to use yet. Just yet another tool that is totally terrifying. So the other reason I want to talk about this is because you'll see in my next video where I actually use this. I managed to get is it Freud router bits. I looked online, there was a particular one, I think it was about 25 to 30 pounds for a little 1/4 inch straight bit. I thought, well, this is supposed to be really good. And on my travels, I found 2 of them randomly on a shelf in a shop called Trago, and they were £4. And I was like, okay, buy it. So I bought it. So I'll go into that in the next video. I do have plans. I'm going to build something in the next video. I'm going to build something like small, but it's going to be useful. Not an attempt at a huge media wall, which is a guessing game all the way through. This is going to be planned, actually planned. So this, I'd like please for somebody to give me some hints and tips. The other thing is dust extraction. I can't find anywhere. I can't even find dust extraction for this. Is this a site tool, or is it going to be something I can use for precision work? So yeah, I wanted somebody to just give me some hints and tips and say, hey, that's great, it's for this and that, or that's rubbish, you need one of these. Anything, any information you can give me on this or on routers in general, please help me out here, because like I said, I've used it. but I've probably used it wrong and it's been very scary. So that's, yeah, the router. It's also very fiddly. This was a, what do they call it, refurbished. So I paid £80 for this, with the case, with, you know, these things, whatever that's called. I've got a spare nut for bits to go in. Another thing, what are these? But it's fast, it's loud. I like it, but I really need help. So please, somebody help me out. What do I do? Thank you for watching.